The Salesforce Platform Developer. One certification is a valuable credential. It proves you have the skills to build custom applications on the Salesforce platform. This certification is in high demand. It can open doors to many exciting job opportunities. Becoming certified demonstrates your expertise. It shows employers you are proficient in Salesforce development. This can lead to career advancement and higher earning potential. The certification exam tests your knowledge. You will be tested on your ability to build scalable and secure applications. This certification is for aspiring Salesforce developers. It is also valuable for those who work closely with developers. This includes administrators, consultants, and business analysts. Earning the platform developer. One certification is a significant accomplishment. It signifies your commitment to professional growth in the Salesforce ecosystem. The Salesforce PD1 exam is a rigorous assessment. It's important to understand the format and logistics. The exam consists of 60 multiple-choice questions. You have 105 minutes to complete it. The passing score is 68%, meaning you need to answer at least 41 questions correctly. The exam fee is $200 for the first attempt and $100 for each retake. You can take the exam online or at a testing center. The exam is open book, but don't let that fool you. You need a solid understanding of the concepts. It's crucial to be familiar with the Salesforce platform. Hands-on experience is essential for success. While there are no official prerequisites for the Salesforce PD1 exam, having some experience under your belt is highly recommended. Ideally, you should have at least 1 to 2 years of experience working with the Salesforce platform. Hands-on development experience is key. Aim for at least 6 months of practical coding experience. While not mandatory, earning the Salesforce Administrator or Builder certifications can be beneficial. These certifications provide a solid foundation in Salesforce fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with Apex, Visualforce, and Lightning Web Components. A strong understanding of data modeling, security, and debugging is also crucial. Remember, experience is the best teacher. The more you work with Salesforce, the better prepared you'll be for the exam. The Salesforce Platform Developer. One exam covers a wide range of topics. To succeed, you need to have a comprehensive understanding of 4 key areas. These areas are fundamentals, process automation, user interface, debugging, and deployment. Fundamentals, which make up 23% of the exam, test your knowledge of Salesforce's architecture. You'll need to understand multi-tenant architecture, data modeling, and limits. A strong grasp of declarative programming concepts is also essential. Process automation, which accounts for 30%, focuses on your ability to automate business processes using Apex. You'll be tested on Apex basics like variables, loops, and error handling. Understanding declarative automation tools like Process Builder and Flow is also crucial. User interface, covering 25%, involves the creation of user interfaces using Visualforce and Lightning Web Components. You'll need to understand controllers, extensions, and security considerations. Familiarity with Lightning Design System is also beneficial. Finally, debugging and deployment, which make up 22%, assess your ability to debug and deploy Apex code. You'll need to be familiar with debugging tools, Apex testing, and deployment processes. Understanding environment management and change sets is also important.